will show me family, all the blood that I will bleed. I don't know where I belong, I don't know where I went wrong, but I can write a song. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweet home. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweet home.
Mabishwa Chloe. Walisema wao wanapenda physical. Yeah, they like even the keys and they like don't have an issue. Then we say tuko kama kina Lex, but si hatuko kama kina Lex. Kidogo. Lexi don't hug me. Don't touch me. Jana nilikuwa narudia mama, nilikuwa nimesahau huko na kuku kumejaa.
Know me when I'm a slave, not when I'm king. Don't claim your royalty, Big Daddy. Know me when I am small, not when I am big. I will stumble over it, call me sugar. I missed you yesterday, Even when you say this is not the way. No more playing game. I'm breaking all the chains. We cannot stay the same. We cannot stay the same. Feel me, don't call me sugar. Don't touch the fire. Don't give me drama. My best friend lover. When no money, you no give honey. You won't leave daddy, big daddy.
Yellow diamonds in the light, and we're standing side by side as your shadow crosses mine. What it takes to come alive. It's the way I'm feeling, I just can't deny. But I've gotta let it go.
We are done. You have seen us getting ready.
Yeah,
We have dressed and made our hair. So outfit of the day, our hair, jewelry, gold. Gold goes good. Bright colors, gold, yellow goes good with our hair, with our skin color. And then our dresses. Where did we buy these dresses? From. Okay, I'm going to link the shop. It's not male this time.
Yeah.
It's another girl. I'm going to link her shop. It's also at Imenti. At Imenti. Those words, pronouns, those things, verbs. Yeah, as long as we have spoken. Yeah, the outfits, yellow, and then our sleeves, our shoe, it's a sandal. It's this type. We have knockoff Hermes.
Like this is the way it looks at the
back, Mwazi, and also our bikinis. We told you guys we bought bikinis from Shein. I don't know why mine doesn't have the label, but they're from Shein. And our Chanel name, the girls, we promised these girls we'll take them everywhere we go. Yeah, and some gold. This is our color, pop color. Yeah, we're going to have these. Then we're going to carry sunscreen, a towel, and for some beach photos. Yes. Yeah, we're actually going to a private beach because of the overpopulation. Yeah, but I'm like praying people do not think of coming to Mombasa for the holiday. Hey. But anyway, all in all, we are very excited, very happy. Joto tunasikia tumezima, like we have switched off the fan because of the noise. So I'm actually sweating as I stand right here. But it's amazing. It's nice. So come along with us as we spend our birthday. You will see the activities. Yeah. Kama ile zanguka anytime.
you, got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you didn't call it but one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Don't say call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause my house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, boy, you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hit now.
Bye bye.
I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch you, do I know what time it is right now? It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you. All she talking about is come and see me first, come and see me first. You don't ever come to me, you don't ever come to me. How she hit me with it, come and see me first, come and see me first. Oh, y'all never come to me, y'all never come to me.
This is what they say, do it up, dumps on the Cadillac, white tees, Nikes, gangsters don't know how to act, and it's been fake, college park, harbor home,
Happy birthday to us! We love you. Let's get the chance for flow. Wanyama unafaa kutukuza.
never miss, never got that fire like, oh, round here we find the sun, we keep it good and push it on, getting drunk up in the club, it gets done.
So nimeka sote wanaanza na report. White, color zao ni white. No. Yeah, that's nice. Hey chums, it's Irene, Jasmine, and welcome back to About the Vlog. So today is day 2 in Mombasa Nyali, and I don't know when you will do a home Mimi.
Yeah, she's
just
no, she's just
avoiding her. She's just contagious.
yeah.
So today is day 2. We are going to do more activities.
Yeah.
So tell them where we were yesterday. Yesterday we went to a hotel called Voyager Beach Hotel. It's a 5-star here in Nyali, and it was. Did you love everything you guys saw? Enjoyed. Actually, the place is affordable because the second location we went to have dinner, the Long Islands were cheaper at Voyager than at the second restaurant. Yes. So today we are going to be doing more activities. We didn't get to try on our show them the outfits of the day. Outfits of the day. We have this I don't know what it's called, jumpsuit, half jumpsuit.
Yeah, I think it's a mini jumpsuit, half jumpsuit, whatever you want to call
it.
Yeah.
As you can see, the hair.
The sneeze is not coming. Yeah, let's continue.
The hair, the accessories, and our outfit. We're going to pair it with yesterday's sandals. We're going to be wearing. It's so hot outside here to be wearing closed shoes. But in Nairobi, we would have worn sneakers.
Yeah.
We are going to try out the. And don't forget SPF. Yes. Sunscreen. This is how it looks at the back. Not backless. That's our outfit. Yesterday we didn't get to try the bikini because we didn't swim. We want to swim where we live. Kwenye tuko there is a swimming pool.
Yeah, we
went to actually. Yeah, we wanted to go yesterday, but we got here late, and I was sick. Like I was, how is it called? With the second Long Island took me out. So we couldn't swim. We just came, showered, and slept. We are going to try it out for you guys so that you can see, because Wild Waters, I don't think Wild Waters we are going to wear the bottom bikini.
Yeah.
But we'll try if we see people wearing bikinis, we're going to wear bikinis.
Yes.
But you're going to see. So we're going to try out the next clip. We're going to try out the bikinis for you guys, and
you're going to see these beautiful bodies that we have worked on.
Exposed.
Yeah, we are going to be exposed. We are going to leak it. We call it nudes, whatever. They're going to get leaked right here on this channel, so keep watching to see those beautiful sexy pictures
in our bag. And guys, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and TikTok. We post there too.
We
are active in those two platforms, not like YouTube, but it's there pictures, and you're going to find things we do during the day, daily activities before they even get to YouTube.
So let's try on the bikinis for you guys.
This is actually the beach outfit. Yes. So we have paired it with some jewelry and the bikini. And this bikini came with a small bag. So we decided to tie it on the back because we do see people putting a clip. This is our swagger. Yeah, and the Chanel bag. So let's go to the beach. We'll be going to the beach and then Wild Waters. Yeah, actually, where we're going to the beach, we are looking for a jet ski. We're not sure if we're going to find it, but hopefully jet ski or some beach, something from a boat trying to see the waters, the fish, then Wild Waters.
Yeah, so Twin Daddy, come, the witches are calling you. The marine people.
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see. You are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. If you ever feel me, wonder why, let me know. Let me know.
Sasa wanaenda wapi? Kuna kabaton mafuta. Ukija haraka dunia alikuwa ananiambia kai zima kidogo. Alikuwa nampeleka. dada.
We lost her.
Is it tap the water a lot?
Hey champs, today is the last day. We are headed to the airport. This is our outfits for the airport. So, jewelry, the top that we came with, sweatpants, a good color that complements our skin tone. And our Chanel bag, and we were supposed to wear canvas, but to our space, let's just wear our New Balance. And they give outfit vibes, yeah. So, yeah. We are so grateful. The trip, the vacation has been good. Our birthday has been perfect. Yes. Everything aligned, everything went as planned, and even more things came up. And in Meona, we went for jet ski, went to the beach, we went to waters. We have enjoyed the birthday. We are grateful, at most grateful. Yeah, today is the final day. We are actually supposed to leave here by 11, and it's about 10:50 right now. So join us to the airport to Cheleweshe watu. Yeah, let's meet in Nairobi. Yeah.
Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seems like I get so much and don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but that's fucking whack. Always caught up in love, but now you're done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now yeah. Flexing on my exes and my model legs, pretty little skinny little bitty report is too important. Blue drink inside the roll up, hold up. Watch me go up, leave me so stuck.
Yeah, we stay litty. Fuck where you from, you ain't fucking with my city. Put that shit on, we rockin' J's with true religions. Got a rubber set, you bangin' blood rollin' 60. Pass the reposado. If he looking your way, then he is not my home. Off the dun, I go crazy till I'm psycho. Call the DUI, but it's okay, I got Geico. I drive the boat, he bitches follow. Fucked around and test my ex, oops, it was a typo. Shake, 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 booty shake like a maraca. You ain't throwing ass, what the fuck you want? Yeah, we bout to have fun. You know summer just begun. Party all night until we see the sun. Call up the plug, roll the 3-5 in the blunt. Done Julio, I can taste it on my tongue. We outside, you know it's gonna be a vibe. Get your camera phone, start the Instagram live. Wear booty shorts, showing extra skin and thighs. Party, 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 yeah, we finna have a time.
Hey Charles, good morning. Today is Tuesday, the next day after we came back from Mombasa yesterday. Forgive my voice, it's a little kuna kamugurumo. Yeah, we actually went for shopping yesterday, but we forgot to record it, so we decided the best thing is to show you a haul. Yes. After the breakfast is made by Miss Chef. Me? Yeah. It will be so quick because we are so hungry, and the funny thing is we have overslept, but we are still exhausted and tired. I don't know, it's because we are oversleeping makes you more tired.
No, this whole week we have been waking up early, been doing a lot.
Yeah.
So I blame that.
Yeah, like over shoulder. A busy day. Yeah, so our shopping was actually ilikuwa like kidogo sana. We decided jana we go to Naivas and do a quick shopping. Let's show you what we bought.
Yeah.
The first thing is definitely Brookside. Brookside is the milk to go to, especially the lactose-free milk. This milk doesn't taste any different from normal milk, so highly recommending this milk.
It's just good and it has its benefits.
Yeah.
So Brookside, yeah. We have our velvet tissue paper,
and I'm kitchen guys because last time I plugged them with the wrong tissues.
Yeah, this is what we do. And this one velvet.
Yeah.
Then there is some tissue. These ones are called what? Kitchen towels and tissues, toilet paper roll.
What's the difference between kitchen tissues and serviettes? Mine is Nyali.
I think they're the same things.
Yeah. Oh, you can see the towel. They are the ones that the serviettes are the ones that are already cut into pieces one.
So the kitchen towel.
Yeah, and the other ones are serviettes. That's what I'm going to assume. Then we have our tea bags. We like to buy the ones that are tagged.
Yeah.
It's the one our sister Maita is the one who plugged us.
We have some spices. We have chicken, then beef, and chili beef.
We have the best sanitary towels.
Cortex.
We also have wet wipes. We have to use every toilet has to have wet wipes. It's a must.
It's a buzz
For us, so for all the girls out there. We also have floors, dental floors. These things to scrub superior.
And we also have these. At the place we were on vacation, they had this and it was smelling nice and it was good, so we decided to buy it.
Try it out, you know. We also have Colgate. Those who know, they know. Why we buy one?
Yeah. Fresh fry
And Menengai soap to wash your clothes and utensils. We also have, I bought this one. I never tasted it, but I bought it because it's lemon. Hey, I hope this thing smells well. It actually smells exactly like the other one. In a way. We also bought rice, biryani. This one is the one that they say on TV. Stunning is the one. It's an ad. I know you guys have seen it.
Yeah. Then there is a premium kafangara. Ugali. There's a whole tray of eggs, and we have another one.
Yeah.
We eat a lot. We consume a lot of eggs.
We told you this tray of eggs doesn't even last 5 days, and it's only for 2 people because breakfast we eat 3 each. Most of our dinners we like having omelette because of the high protein. So we actually put 6 more eggs. Tomorrow breakfast, the other day breakfast. It's a lot to get protein. It's expensive, but it's worth it.
Yeah. Protein. We have a lot of protein. We have already opened this pack. Sausages, we bought 2 for protein. Breakfast.
Yeah. You know, even we actually buy these big ones, 2 of them. They are 22 pieces, and they never even also like
Each 4
weeks.
No, each
at the
2
end of the
per
day.
day. 2 each day. So we consume 4 in the house.
Yeah.
4. Then we do the math.
Yeah.
Then
Nafasi imeisha.
we bought our peas. These ones are like already, how is it called? Branched.
Oils.
Yeah, it's branched. Yeah, it's that. They're
So
already
when the
branched.
beans, you say the beans are branched.
Yeah, if they are cooked fast, then you don't cook it a lot. They're just put in a hot boiling water.
A lot of
They-
that.
for some few minutes, then you remove it. Then you're just going to come and cook it.
Yes.
Haikaangi sana. We have this.
It's the same kg like the one we bought last time.
The other one was
Smaller one.
yeah. The other one was 1 kg. I bought the 1.5 kg. Then we have our fish. Our dad bought us this fish. He told us it's the best. Yeah, we start making fish, not just minced meat.
Yeah.
And then 2 packs of minced meat.
And 3 packs of minced meat. The real champs, they know this is Erin's favorite. Erin with me.
Yeah.
I think it's because you have switched the position.
Yeah.
But this is my favorite meal. Combo stew to be made with peas and minced meat and some potatoes, and then the boiled rice, and our side is either cabbage or skuma siku or skuma matumbo.
Yeah.
This is what we bought. I hope you guys can see. Do you buy anything else? Yes.
Some drink
Some drink.
and sauce
We have
these and these.
Yeah, and we also bought these. We also bought these. This is what you're going to have for breakfast. Sweet potatoes. It's the best.
That's just that.
We had bought 2 yogurts, but we drank the one
Delamere
yesterday.
one.
Yeah. Which one do you think? Yesterday did it taste better? No, I don't
Just
taste the
tasted-
difference.
No, we have drank these.
Yeah, we drank this one.
I feel like they all.
It depends where you buy it.
Yeah.
Because there's a supermarket around our place.
Brookside.
Yeah, Brookside all the time. Don't forget, when you see us see Brookside, when you see the ads out there, you're going to see billboards, and it's going to be us.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you see anything related to Brookside, think of us. Tag us, go to Brookside apps, tell them the Merge Twins love Brookside. Yeah, this one we bought it at a hotel. We went yesterday to eat lunch. Hey, you carry it, take away.
Yeah, I have to. It was tasting so good. Then I saw
Yes,
the
yes,
top up with
yes.
this. I love pick and peel. So pineapple.
Those who know, I love Red Bull so much. So Red Bull sponsor us, and I actually, if Red Bull sponsors us, I'm going to make people, you and my friends. It's a cocktail made of Red Bull. I've seen it so many places. It's like a recipe you take. Is it whiskey or what was it, gin? You mix it with this, but you don't like watermelon, so you're not going to be part of the drinkers. And this sauce, we bought one in Mombasa and had to leave it because my sister told us, Akwati, when we go to the airport, they are not going to allow us to enter with this one. But I think she lied because I saw my mom carried a Red Bull and it actually passed through the security.
Maybe she was right. We don't know. We didn't get a chance to go with it. But this is all.
Yeah.
This is everything. We had a very amazing weekend. It was long. It was beautiful. It was our birthday.
You have seen in the video, we have really enjoyed being in Mombasa.
Yeah.
We went to Mombasa Nyali.
Yeah, lots of activities, and we enjoyed with family.
Yes.
Thank you so much for the wishes, for the birthday wishes, for everyone who wished us well and who prosperous 23 years of age.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Is there anything you would like to add?
I'd love to add, you guys go and follow our TikToks and our IG. We have posted so many pictures of them, pictures and reels of when this video comes out, you are going to have posted many links.
Yes.
Yeah, so she will have posted too. Go and follow our Instagrams. There, when the video is starting, you will see our social handles. You go and follow, like everything. Tag us in everywhere. Go to Pick and Peel and tag us there. Go to the Demonte, tag us there. Brookside especially. Go to anything shopping you can see there. Here.
You know we use
you have been seeing us doing hauls. Go and tag us. Be the best chance that can ever be the best fan base. I only know you're the best fan base that anyone can have.
Yeah.
So yes.
So thank you so much for watching till this far. Don't forget to like, comment,
Share and subscribe.
Until next time. Peace.